Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I've got my '04 Ford Ranger here and I've got a good example of what an exhaust leak sounds like on this, and I wanted to share this with you. Let me turn the microphone around and kind of let you hear that. And I'm going to put you down on the ground and point you up at the source of the leak and explain a little bit more. Okay, so there is the leak, and I'm going to put the microphone up to it. So basically what's going on is exhaust is able to escape right in this area right here, and it's kind of causing a puttering kind of blah 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 kind of noise, and it's allowing a lot of that unmuffled exhaust noise to get out of the exhaust pipe there. So just for a little added clarity here, I've got the vehicle cooled down all the way. This is nice and cool to the touch right now. I'm going to take some soapy water and just spray it all over that area just to help out and help us to understand a little bit better what's going on there. It's kind of spritzing a little bit right there. Yeah, it's coming out real good right here. Actually right up in there. See right up in there. Put the microphone up to that part. And you can just feel the air coming out of that right there. Okay, so I got a temporary patch on that exhaust leak there, and I want to give you some audio of what it sounds like without that exhaust leak, just to give you a little comparison there. So I'm going to turn you around and let you listen to it. I'm going to turn the microphone around, that is. So, sounds a lot better. It's not perfect. I think I've got some exhaust leaks down further, but as you can see, it's different. So there you have it, guys. This is just an example of what an exhaust leak may sound like. They don't all sound exactly the same. This is just one way it might sound, but it is kind of typical for it to sound this way. Folks, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. May need to clarify some things. That's where I do that. And also please read the disclaimer at the very end. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.